In this video, I'm going to show you the ABC of the budgeting module. The list on the top left shows all budget versions for your active project. In order to add, delete or duplicate a budget, use the symbols in the upper right corner of the budget area. General options like currencies, fringes, taxes, etc. can be set up in settings. Please note that these settings apply to the selected budget only and not to all budgets in your project. In the Categories field, all categories in the selected budget are listed. The first entry is not a category, but the summary sheet of your budget. It is on this summary sheet that all additional charges are added. You can add and remove them with the corresponding buttons. Click on a category to show its content in the Edit area. Budgets consist of categories, groups, accounts and sub-accounts. They are all different levels in which the budget information is organized for your convenience. Categories are automatically numbered and cannot be changed in order, but added and deleted by clicking the plus and minus symbols, or easily renamed by double-clicking on one of them. A group always has to be within a category and is auto-numbered, beginning with the number of the category. Accounts have to be within a group. Account numbers can be changed according to your budgeting or accounting needs by double-clicking on the account's number. Sub-accounts can be created within accounts. Sub-accounts do not have numbers. Click plus to add a new sub-account below, or click minus to delete a sub-account. The small arrow on the left identifies sub-accounts. Click this arrow or the arrow on the right to expand or collapse the list of sub-accounts. Editing data is very simple. Just click in a field and navigate in an account with the Tab key. All numeric fields like quantity, price and X factor also allow the use of formulas. Formulas include the standard mathematical operations like addition, deduction, multiplication and division. Additionally, you can define variables in the settings and use them as well. Or you can use expressions for tabs and producers. For example, you can calculate the sum of all accounts attributed to a certain producer by the formula sum_prod brackets producer name. For further info about formulas, please check the tutorial on our website. On the right-hand side of the budget, you see what we call the macro area. Here you can add information to each of your accounts. Assign an account to a certain producer. This is helpful to divide costs between different producers. You can also assign a tag to an account. You can use this for filtering purposes or to mark certain accounts you want to use in a formula calculation. For example, filter the budget for all costs that are assigned to a certain location. You can also add any kind of notes to an account, set the cash flow rule for an account, and add attachments to your budget by drag and drop to the field. The maximum size per attachment is 2 MB. You can also add a tax, a spending effect, and also fringes and extra costs. All those features can be set up in the settings menu. Now let's see how you can print out your budget. Click Print at the toolbar to open the print dialog, or press Command P on a Mac or Control P on a PC. Then choose Budget. If you want to print the budget using a different budget scheme than the one you used, you can do so by creating budget schemes in Settings and choose them here. You can also choose the currency and additional sheets to print out. By standard, only the budget with its total is printed. If you'd like to display additional information, you can add columns for producers or effects. To do so, simply click and drag them to the upper boxes and name the columns below. This way you can adjust your print exactly to your needs. When you're done, just click Save PDF or Open PDF.